Good afternoon everyone and welcome to this year's Intramurals 2010. But first of all, let me first greet our University President, Ma'am Priscilla C. Viuya, our Vice Presidents, the Deans and Directors, our Professors, the TSU personnel and staff, our guests, and of course, my fellow students. This is actually my 8th and the last time to witness our University Intramurals. Ever since high school kasi ako, I never missed a single opening program ng intrams natin. So now that we were given a chance to organize this activity, we will make sure na bawat segundo na nakaupo kayo dyan sa kinauupuan ngayon, ay mapupuno kayo ng excitement at thrill. At titiyakin namin na lalabas kayo ng TSU gym na wala ng boses dahil sa kakasigaw. Indeed, nag-develop na nga tayo this year dahil for the first time, matatapakan na ng mga TSU athletes ang pinagmamalaking Tarlac Recreational Park ng ating probinsya na kung saan ginanap rito recently ang palarong pambansa at ang Claro Meet. Ako personally ay nai-excite dahil 9 colleges ang maglalaban-laban for our cheer dance competition maya-maya lang. At eto pa, kung last year ay 3 colleges lang ang nagtunggali sa ating dance sports, this year, 10 colleges ang magkakasubukan kung sino nga ba ang pinaka-sexy sa dance floor. So, cheer dance at dance sports pa lang yan ha. So, we have many events that we should look forward to these coming days. But for now, let's just enjoy the one-week activity. Sulitin natin itong pagkakataon to show our support to our respective colleges. And again, I am very proud to say, TSU, nag-level up ka na.